Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Bacon and thyme low-carb bread. Cheesy low-carb bread. Sun-dried tomatoes and rosemary low-carb bread. So the recipe I'm going to share with you today is inspired by my friend Susan, who is currently following the Keto or Ketogenic diet, which is very high in proteins and fats and also very low in carbohydrates. You know, one of our favorite comfort foods is to indulge in a lovely piece of bread, whether it be homemade straight out of the oven or store-bought. And I thought, why sacrifice that great feeling of comfort and all that wonderful flavor and texture and just create a low-carb version of this bread. And today I'm going to show you how to do that and whip it up and cook it in the microwave in less than 5 minutes. And also I'm going to show you a couple variations so you can come up with your own creative recipes right in the comfort of your own kitchen. So these are the main ingredients for your basic low-carb bread, and then you can add any other flavors you like. And I'll be showing you 3 different variations on the basic bread. And we have some coconut flour. We're going to do like a pinch of salt to taste, some evaporated milk, baking powder, eggs, 2 to 3 eggs depending on what you like. And also we're going to use like 2 tablespoons of melted butter, or you can use some bacon fat. I always save my bacon fat. It comes into good use. And I will be listing all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below for you guys. Our main ingredients will be the same for this one, with the exception of our variation is going to be some crispy crumbled bacon. I used about 2 strips and then about a tablespoon of fresh thyme. Now all we're going to do is just whisk everything together with a fork. Make sure you stir everything together really well and scrape the bottom of the bowl to get all that coconut flour incorporated. I'd like to show you the 2 mugs I got from Goodwill that I'm using to make my low-carb bread. This one was a brand new Starbucks mug, nice and tall, that I got for 99 cents. This one, the chocolate makes it all better, which I love. Absolutely the best remedy. I also got for 99 cents. And what's great about these is they're both dishwasher and microwave safe. So I don't have to worry when I put my bread in the microwave to cook. On a quick note, I would like to encourage everyone to support your local Goodwill. They do help a lot of individuals and families to create a self-sufficient lifestyle. They do provide some job search assistance and a lot of other programs and services. And it helps when you donate and also when you shop there, because all the proceeds go to helping other people in need, which is a great thing. And you know what, I think I will do just an episode on the things that I got at Goodwill. So great for my kitchen, some wonderful items. So we'll do a separate episode on that. Make sure you use a nice tall mug to allow for some space for the bread to expand. And I'm going to use some cooking spray and just spray the inside of the mug before I put the bread mixture in there. So this one's the sun-dried tomatoes and rosemary. So just empty all the mixture, all your bread mixture into the cup. Now I'm just going to shake the mug a little bit to try to get everything, all that mixture nice and settled into the mug. Place the mug in your microwave and microwave for about a minute at a time, and keep checking it because Every microwave does vary depending on the power level. This is after 1 minute, so I'm going to microwave it for another minute. This is at 2 minutes, so I'm going to put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. I think it's ready, and all this took about 3 minutes. Then you're just going to turn your mug upside down on some kind of board or cutting surface, and it comes out really easily. So let's try that again. Now all you have to do is turn your mug upside down on your board or some kind of cutting surface, and it slides out really easily, and it might topple over, so just be careful. You can lay it on its side. This smells really good. I can smell the flavors of the rosemary, the sun-dried tomatoes, the butter in there. So I'm gonna let this rest for a couple minutes before I slice it. And while we're waiting, I just want to show you what the cheese low-carb bread looked like. This one is a cheese version that I did using bacon fat instead of melted butter. And I also added an additional egg, and it rose a lot more. It did take about 3.5 minutes in the microwave, but I got like 9 slices out of it. And this one's the bacon and thyme. And now it's time to try the bacon and thyme version. It tastes like bacon and eggs and bread all rolled into one. Absolutely lovely. I'd like to show you a close-up so you can see the texture of this bread. And for those of you who are on a keto diet or just looking to cut carbs in general, this is a great alternative, because you know what? We always miss our bread, and it's so lovely to have that comfort and have it in the low-carb version. So give this a try. I think you will be very, very happy with the results. For a nice little crunch on your low-carb bread, just stick it in the toaster oven. So I've made you 3 versions of our low-carb bread. We have our sun-dried tomatoes with rosemary and cheese, and this last one that we just made is the bacon with thyme. So you can experiment and come up with your own variations. There's so many combinations that you can make. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.